Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is it here in Brooklyn, New York.
No shit, nigga.
Walking to my train station. This is the overnight and it's still falling. We are really in for the snowstorm, guys. Here it is, guys. There's music in the background, YouTube. I have no right to it. It's just a random music. Here it is, guys. It's here. It's here. It's here. The winter storm is here in New York City for the first time. This side of Brooklyn. No joke about it. The kids will get to play in the snow. Hey. We didn't get it Christmas, we get it now. And it's a busy morning. The day after Martin Luther King's Day. Rest in peace to Martin Luther King, a great man. Great civil rights leader. Fighting for equal rights and justice. Woo! It's a good amount fall because I went down a while ago. Not falling, talking about the snow. When I stepped, I could feel the firmness in the snow. Walking to my train station. I don't have the time for the live, so I'm just doing it as it comes. So you're gonna walk in a white blanket. Yeah, welcome to the snow. Still falling, guys, look. Still coming down. Coming down, down, down. And if it continues like this, it's gonna be a lot. Very serious. Anyways, I give God thanks for his many blessings, his grace and his mercy. This is your girl, your mama, your sister, Auntie Rosalie Double James, here in Brooklyn, New York. Giving some highlights on the snow. One on the ground and the one coming down. And I'm walking to the L train station. The letter L, as in love. Not H-E-L-L, as in fire. Letter L as in love. Don't be dismayed. Yes, guys, see? It's coming down. And the birdies are flying around because they're hungry. Yeah. And it's a beautiful feeling regardless. It's not as cold when some mornings I'm walking doing a video. Funny. But when it's snowing, it's not too cold. It's manageable. So I'm just giving you a little few minutes. I'm gonna cut off before I reach the train station because I want to do a live later in Manhattan. So, bless up yourself, guys. Love you with the love of the Lord. Thank you for your support. And look over there, the gentleman or lady who did the crossing for the kids. I have to stand there, snow or no snow, sunshine or no sunshine. You have to go out there in the weather. Like me now, a YouTube reporter. Just saying, vlogging for my channel. I'm a little aspirant vlogger, aspirant YouTuber, and the kids are happy they're playing. And when you see it, guys, it's a good amount on the ground. See it? Nice and soft, fluffy, nice and soft. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I'm not gonna go all the way. 25 minutes on video and put it up. Just wanted to see what's going on here in Brooklyn. The long awaited snow has arrived and it means business, serious business too. And my pants, I'm all over in snow. I'm gonna take up some for you guys. Here. No. Yeah. That's it, guys. I'm crossing. comes with it because of the salt that they put on the road. Here it is. Some melt right here, and that's what's gonna cause a slush. If rain comes after, trouble, 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 trouble. And there's still some garbage on the side. Because the garbage man hasn't collected yet. I don't know what's going on. I hate it when it snows. Train up there, guys. I'm going up there. Let me spin around. See, the streets are clean. Most of it. Because they put the salt on it. And the scraper comes early this morning. Or not really early. A while ago and passed through. Somebody scrape right here where I'm walking. The salt is still there. Those little white things are salt. I'm doing it for the people who don't know, who don't live in the winter land. So don't be offended. I'm doing it for those of us. I wasn't living here too. My first experience of snow is Canada. And that was, how many years? To be exact, 26. Yeah, 26 years ago. I should say 25 years ago. I went there after. I went there 2019 to a wedding. But I'm saying that's winter. Oh my God, 96, 97 was one of the worst, they say. I stepped down and the snow reaches my knee. All right, guys. I didn't want to cross up here, but I'm going to cross up here. It's my morning vlog video. So I'm going to do one for later for Manhattan. I don't know if I'm going to go live when I reach Manhattan. I'm still here in Brooklyn. And this morning is a busy morning because everything is back to normal. No holiday again. It's gone from yesterday. So we all up and running along with the snow. Like it or not, it's here and we have to accept. We keep warm, we keep dry, we keep out of the way. I'm sliding backwards because of the crispiness of the snow. Yes, guys. These cars were parked last night. Thank you all for listening, for watching. Thank you all for putting up with me. I am your girl, your mama, your sister, your auntie, Rosalie W. James. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever time it is. In your neck of the wood. I see the lady with the umbrella and I forget to bring mine. I don't like travel with umbrella all the way to Manhattan. It's too much for me. Okay, guys. See you later. I'm gonna go take the train. This morning is not the train morning. This morning is a snow morning. Snow doesn't fall inside, so that's it.